When your Daikin air conditioner remote stops working, don't panic. Most issues can be resolved with simple troubleshooting steps. Let's diagnose and fix the most common problems. The most common culprit is dead or low batteries. This accounts for the majority of remote control failures. Always start your troubleshooting here. Look for these telltale signs of battery problems: a dim or completely blank display, unresponsive buttons, or intermittent operation. These symptoms clearly indicate low battery power. Before installing new batteries, inspect the battery terminals for corrosion. This white or greenish buildup can prevent proper electrical contact and must be cleaned away. If new batteries don't solve the problem, try resetting the remote. There are several reset methods you can use, and this simple step resolves about 80% of common remote issues. If your remote was dropped or physically damaged, the internal LED light may have detached from the circuit board components. This requires opening the remote to check internal connections, but be careful not to damage delicate parts. When basic troubleshooting fails, the issue may be with the infrared sensor. The first advanced step is to test if your remote is actually sending IR signals. Using your smartphone camera, point the remote toward the camera lens and press any button. If the remote is working, you'll see a purple or white light flash on your phone screen. This confirms the infrared LED is functioning. Next, ensure both sensors are clean and unobstructed. Clean the infrared sensor on your remote and the receiver on your air conditioning unit using a soft, dry cloth. The remote must be within 10 meters of the air conditioning unit to function properly. Ensure there are no obstructions blocking the line of sight between the remote and the unit. If cleaning doesn't resolve the issue, try repairing your remote with the air conditioning unit. This process varies by model, so consult your user manual for specific instructions. As a backup solution, remember that most Daikin air conditioners can be operated manually using the power button located directly on the unit. This will activate automatic mode with default settings. Consider modern alternatives to physical remotes. Many Daikin units support smartphone apps for complete control, and some models integrate with voice assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant. If all troubleshooting steps fail to resolve the issue, contact a Daikin specialist or authorized service technician. They can diagnose hardware problems and provide professional repair or replacement services.